yet or not to what in my mobi title. To me, Ben, I walk from the Igbo kingdom now. I want Nigeria to confer titles on people. And they are more massive. I mean, Papa and Kamaya study or starting conflict between Ghana and Nigeria.
What that Igbo man want to do is an affront to the laws of Ghana. Akunya, yankoto, akunya beto. Nanse na jimienti, yetimi kukuru akunya ni mobia, ba Igbo diani yankukuru mobia. Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share. Me the two man now on Sakabi. I Xposed the whole world. Obi anyway. I so I say advert bro. Brebe yamau. Igbo king. I they say no. The tosa. Ye chinu ni ejai. I sana said the laws of Ghana should work. Na Afia Pokua vim lady. I my sister-in-law. Nya maybe o kan and say ano. Wakani ye nkuti nimra.
To say Igbo king no when tie futuo na wabetena Ghana say me create kingdom in now you can get no man koka Ghana constitution article 11 or can sources of Ghana law or can customize or can constitution first what can enactment and say no buy common law what back customs and traditions your customary law no and then create kingdom and your customary law no recognize the kingdoms Gonja kingdom first Yana kingdom Ashanti kingdom. Now, only Ghana custom and traditional constitution can article 11 no, which is in the creative kingdom. Oh, problem my Nigerian government. Then I say now be creative, yeah, will be bad. Nigeria need be bad. No, now your embassy. The people who come to visit on diplomatic trip, no, they are under diplomatic law. Diplomatic law also a whole law. Just obi ba Ghana no a diplomat. Okum nipa kra Ghana ye to me dinasem Ghana. You can't arrest him, you can't jail him. That is the diplomatic law. We are see country be at the edge, unless you are then come back to Nikrom Nigeria and you jail no. That's the diplomatic law. Your friend of diplomatic immunity. Every country be obese and the diplomat baby. The person is immune. Now who need diplomatic system? You are not a diplomatic employee, whatever thing. Me creative baby. Nigeria need diplomat about now. No. Nigeria embassy no udruwa even though it's Ghana na why Nigeria if Ghana law be inside the Nigerian embassy obi money inside the Nigerian embassy Ghana law be apply to them. That is the rule say a friend of international relations international law a law ya better we are seeing ye nyina ye follow it is Igbo king no but ye ni anam Ghana me say Ghana for ya na ton ye ho na we are legitimizing what he's doing. Na ya to not to what my mobi title to me Ben I walk from the Igbo kingdom now. I want Nigeria to confer titles on people. And they are more massive. But many Papa and Kamaya study or starting conflict between Ghana and Nigeria. You can create a Gege town. We are Kasa Ghana for no Gege town by any Igbo kingdom. Now the Igbo Nigeria for Biana Iboni. I don't quite say you are even doing a tribalism. Because Nigeria for one Nigeria, you know, more doors to change Igbo. So why would you want to create an Igbo kingdom and not even a Nigerian kingdom?
The only time Nigerian law will work in Ghana is at the Nigerian embassy. Oko American embassy, they are being governed by what? Your friends, American laws. Oko Ghanaian embassy in any states, they are being governed by Ghana's way. The constitution of Ghana state is clear. It's what the Igbo king want to do, or any kimpo, what that Igbo man want to do is an affront to the laws of Ghana. Akunya, yankoto. Akunya beto. Nanse na jimienti yetimi kukuru akunya ni mobia ba Igbo de ne yankukuru mobia ye. Emom yankofo na jimienti yakokoto papa na sabi yehu ni ayeye. Bene ya sorry. The laws of Ghana frown upon it, so the AG, the Attorney General should work. People who are cotoning, who are buying down because of money, they should stop. We need Ghana, not money. Ultimate call Nigeria and self full say that man, yes, so shall those are robbery and then 1 year Ghana sex trafficking allegedly and plenty. The Ghanaian authorities should wake up and stop these people. Yeah, something is happening in Ghana, but we don't know. Violence is coming up, we don't know. IGP, no one to me yet, man. Please sit down, let somebody come. Politics in Dampare, you know. Dampare is saying, you know that. He's an institution that we need to study. How did he make Ghana such a peaceful nation? And then when you see for 4 years, say, Basa. It is time. Say constitution you radoma mabesisa. Now one IGP no chosen by the police council. CDS chosen by the military council. CJ now person wo pamono no na yema your friend say judicial council enchusu no, not the presidency. Ninja politics that we are bringing in the very fiber of our what public life. That is what is worrying Ghana. We don't need any lobbying. Yet immediately we are everybody will work and Ghana will work again. Media me Ghana new now so oh yeah why I Xposed HFM Bamboo subscribe share with the 2 manners I can manually see.
To say Igbo king no when tie futuo na wabetena Ghana say me create kingdom in now you can't get no man koka Ghana constitution article 11 or can sources of Ghana law or can customize or can constitution first what can enactment and sana wabai common law waba customs and traditions your customary law no and then create kingdom and your customary law no recognize kingdoms Gonja kingdom first Yana kingdom Ashanti kingdom. Now, who Ghana custom and traditional constitution can article 11 no, which is in the creative kingdom. Oh, problem I'm Nigerian government. Then I say now be creative, yeah, will be bad, Nigeria need be bad. No, now who embassy? The people who come to visit on diplomatic trip, no, they are under diplomatic law. Diplomatic law, also a whole law. Just obi ba Ghana no a diplomat. Okum nipa kra Ghana ye to me dinasem Ghana. You can't arrest him, you can't jail him. That is the diplomatic law. We are see country be at the edge, unless you are the come back to Nikrom Nigeria and you jail no. That's the diplomatic law. Your friend of diplomatic immunity. Every country be of best and diplomat baby. The person is immune. Now who need diplomatic system? You are not a diplomatic employee, whatever. Me creative baby. Nigeria need diplomats about now. No. Nigeria embassy no udruwa even though it's Ghana na why Nigeria if the Ghana law be inside the Nigerian embassy obi money inside the Nigerian embassy Ghana law be apply to them. That is the rule say a friend of international relations international law a law ya better we are seeing ye nyina follow it is Igbo king no but see ye nuanam Ghana me say Ghana for ya na ton ye ho na we are legitimizing what he's doing. Na ya to not to what my mo be title to me ben award from the Igbo kingdom na e want Nigeria no to confer titles on people and they are more massem but many papa na come study or starting conflict between Ghana and Nigeria. You can create a Agege town. We are Kasa Ghana for no Agege town by any Igbo kingdom. Now the Igbo Nigeria for Obiana Igbo ni. I don't quite say you are even doing a tribalism because Nigeria for one Nigeria you know change Igbo. So why would you want to create an Igbo kingdom and not even a Nigerian kingdom?